What is up, 7 Soldiers? It's RPGMN777, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with RPGMN777. I've already cooked 2 Italian dishes, but one of them is a Filipino style, and one of them is an original Italian dish. Now today we're going to cook an authentic Italian dish, and as usual, it's pasta because it's Italian, and that pasta dish is called Puttanesca. It appeared in Let's Write episode 4, link in the description and video card on top of this screen. So without further ado, let's start. Here are the ingredients: pasta noodles, as usual, olive oil, canned tunas, diced tomatoes, salt and pepper, garlic, onions, olives, and basil. So before the video started, we've already boiled our pasta noodles there, and you know how to cook pasta already because you've already seen 2 pasta dishes, pesto and Filipino style spaghetti. Now we're just going to show you how to make the sauce, and then we're going to put in our pasta noodles right there. Before waiting for the noodles to cook, we're going to watch NBA. Would you look at that? Oh, by the way, if you haven't watched any of my cooking videos, I'm going to put the link of the whole playlist of Cooking with RPGM and 777 right down in the description and on the end screen too later. So once this video ends, you can go watch the other cooking videos like from fried chicken, pesto, well, it's full of Italian dishes. Okay, now once the pasta are ready, we're going to drain it. We're going to put some cold water on it so it would stop its cooking process once it's done. And now it's time for the sauce. I am voice cracked once again. So we're preheating this pan and we're going to put in the olive oil later. Okay, now it's time to put the olive oil. There we go. And time to saute the onions and the garlic. And wait for them until it's golden brown. And the onion translucent too. Now time to put our olives. And let's put the tuna right here in the mix. Look at this tuna. time to put in our diced tomato, and we're going to mix it all and make it some beats. And we've already put our diced tomatoes in it, and time to mix it. It's time to put in our salt and pepper. So first is the pepper and our Himalayan salt. You can also use ordinary salt if you don't have any Himalayan salt. If you have rock salt, yes, you could just any salt. Salt is salt. And now it's time to put the basil. And now time to wait for it. And we're going to put in our pasta. Oh. And here we go. It's time to put in our pasta. Here we go. There we go. And it's the time to mix it up. And there we go. This is healthier than our Filipino style spaghetti that we cooked in our very first episode. And now it's time to grate the cheese. There we have it. Puttanesca. Time to eat. And now, time to dig in.
Ito pag sa ano ko, ikot. Marami yan.
So delicious. The taste of the tomato, very good. Man, I'm so stuffed once again. So thank you guys for watching Cooking with RPGM 777. If you like the video, obviously smash like, and don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos. Thank you guys. Peace out.